In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the full name of a user in Docusign. Whether you're updating your last name after a name change or simply correcting a mistake in your account details, this guide will walk you through the steps in a clear and manageable way. We'll start by visiting the Docusign website. Open your preferred browser and type in the URL www.docusign.com. If this is your first time visiting the site, you'll notice that it's popular for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, the next step is to log in. Look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll find the login button. Click on it to enter your credentials. You'll want to make sure you have your username and password handy to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, Docusign has an easy to use password recovery feature that can help you reset it. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Docusign homepage. This is where you can find a summary of your documents, activities, and any pending tasks that might require your attention. From here, we want to navigate to our profile settings. To do that, find and click on the profile icon, usually represented by a small avatar or your initials, usually located near the top of the page. Next, you'll click on Manage Profile. This section gives you access to all your personal information stored within Docusign. Here you can see details such as your contact information and account preferences. For our purposes today, we're going to focus on the name fields. Scroll through your profile details until you find the Update button. Clicking this will enable you to edit sections of your profile. Now look for the fields labelled first name and last name. Click on the first name field and enter your new first name. Then click on the last name field to do the same for your last name. After you've made the necessary changes to both your first and last names, it's crucial to save them. Look for the Save button, often found at the bottom of the page or next to the fields you've just edited. Clicking this will ensure that your updates are stored in the system and your profile will reflect your new full name. That's it, your full name in your Docusign profile has been successfully updated. This will now reflect on any documents you sign, creating a seamless experience with your correct information. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out other Docusign tips and tricks to enhance your digital document management.